Here we want to factor out the greatest common factor of x times y squared plus 1 minus 3 times y squared plus 1. And first I'm going to do a simpler example. Let's say we had x times a minus 3 times a, and we wanted to factor out the GCF. Well, it's clear here from these two terms that the GCF is a, so an a would come out to the front, and we'd be left with x minus 3 here. It's the same thing for this example we're doing. Both these terms have this expression y squared plus 1 in them. So just like I factored the a out to the front over here, I'm going to factor this y squared minus 1 out to the front. Okay, so out it goes to the front. Okay, so we're left with y squared plus 1. And what did it leave behind? Well, an x minus 3. X minus 3. And there we have factored out the GCF of y squared plus 1. Let's try another example. Okay, again we want to factor out the GCF. We have q times b cubed minus 5 plus b cubed minus 5. And again, I'm going to write a simpler version of this. What if this was q times b? B is not a good variable since we're already using it. Let's do q times a plus a. Okay, well that's simpler. Our GCF here is a, so we would factor it out to the front, q, okay, and then when there's only an a here and we factor that out to the front, we have to leave a 1 there for a placeholder. Right? Otherwise, if we were to distribute this back through, we wouldn't have our a here. So anytime you factor the entire term out to the front, you always leave a 1 there for a placeholder. That's very important. Okay. So now here we are with this example. Back to the example. Instead of a, we have b cubed minus 5. All right. That's our GCF. Our GCF is b cubed minus 5 here. So I'm going to take this whole thing out to the front. Okay, when I pull this whole thing out to the front, what do I get? I have b cubed minus 5. That's what I factored out. What's left behind? Well, this q is left behind. Q, and there's a kind of hidden 1 right there. So when we factor this out to the front, we are left with this 1 right here. The same way we were left with a 1 over here. And here is our factored form. The GCF has been factored out.